You guys like fast and easy recipes, especially when they're seasonal? Well guys, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make a simple blueberry recipe. I'm going to start with my powdered sugar. Okay. Measure it in here. And guys, I will give you the ingredients and the measurements and whatnot in the description. And you may already have most of this on hand. We got powdered sugar, we've got vanilla. You guys like Mexican vanilla? It has a whole different flavor to it. And we have some softened cream cheese. Don't you all just love taking cream cheese out of the wrapper? I can't stand it, to be honest with you. It gets everywhere. Okay, let me get cleaned up and then we'll get this mixed up. Mix this up. Okay, let me get rid of the beaters. And guys, we're going to stir the blueberries in. I wish you could smell this. That Mexican vanilla mixed with the powdered sugar. Oh my God, it's already wonderful smelling. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. Let's set it over here. And I'm going to get a glass and a can of canned biscuits. Okay, I opened my can of biscuits. I'm just going to roll them out just a little bit. Okay, I have divided my filling into about 8 parts because I have 8 biscuits. I'm going to put this in here. It's easier to use 2 spoons. I did roll that out a little bit. And we're just going to pinch it together. And just kind of mash it up into a more round form. And sometimes your blueberries poke out, but that's okay. Okay. And we're going to put it same side down on parchment paper. And guys, that's going to be a blueberry filled biscuit. I'm telling you. If you've never had that, you just don't know what you're missing. But we just flatten it out enough to give ourselves a little extra to work with and pull it up to kind of seal it together and then roll it. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these prepped and then we'll get ready to put them in the oven. I took these out of the oven just 3 or 4 minutes ago. Just enough time to let them cool off just a little bit, so they don't run everywhere when I slice them. Now, I'm fixing to date myself age-wise. Remember back in the day whenever you were little, and it was such a treat to get the Pillsbury turnovers. Oh my gosh. This is what this smells like, guys. As you can see, we've got the filling everywhere in here. So let me go ahead and tell you this now. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Follow me on all your social media. Share the videos. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. That's so good.